What's the meaning of content word? Content word. Content word.
Content word. Content word. A content word is a word in a sentence that carries the primary meaning or information of the sentence. This includes nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Content words are contrasted with function words such as prepositions, articles, and pronouns, which serve mainly to connect and clarify the relationships between content words. Content words are therefore considered more important for understanding the overall meaning of a sentence. Recognizing and emphasizing content words can help improve communication and comprehension in both written and spoken language.